Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Jim here. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Last year, and I didn't have my video camera with me, but I had a flat tire on my camper when I was hauling it back from the mountains. Now I had plenty of bottle jacks. I even had a floor jack, 2.5 ton floor jack. And this blowout, the tire wrapped itself around the axle, took out the skirting, done some other things. Really quite a mess. But the biggest job of all was getting this thing jacked up. And so I looked online to see if there was an easier method. And I came across this. And I haven't tried it yet. They demonstrated it on YouTube. It looked pretty simple. And so I'm going to give it a try. It only works on tandem axles. But the thought process is you put it under the tire that's not flat, roll it up, and by the time it gets up on here, the tire that's flat is off the ground enough to change it. So that's what I'm going to see on my flatbed. I want to see if that's the case and see if that's how it works. So stay tuned, and we'll get going in just a moment. So I've got it in position, and what I'm going to do is this would be simulating a flat tire on the rear. So by rolling up on this yellow tool here, ramp, it should pick the trailer up enough so that the rear tire is off the ground and could be easily changed. That's the thought process. Now, the ground's still a little soft here, so you can see I've got it on a board. That's so it doesn't just sink into the ground. And that's something, I didn't see it on YouTube. I don't know if it's going to work, but hey, we're going to give it a shot. So, I'm going to zoom in so you can see this, and we'll see exactly what happens. There. All right, stand by. And just in case somebody's wondering, this rig has a 15,000 pound capacity. So even when I've got my Kubota on here, I think the whole weight with the trailer and the Kubota is around 10,000, give or take. So I mean, so it should be plenty rugged enough. Obviously the trailer's empty, so this is the lightest it will ever be. Okay, stand by. I would say that worked pretty good. Now, if that was a flat tire, that would be all it takes to get that off the ground, so I could change it. And I want to demonstrate the rear one here in just a moment. Try it on the rear tire, simulate a front blowout, because if it's front blowout, you back it up onto the rig. If the rear blowout, you drive it forward like I did a few moments ago. The license plate's awful close, I hope it doesn't hit. say that's pretty successful. Alright, so that concludes the demo. I think that thing worked pretty good. It's called a TrailerAid. Wish I'd had it a long time ago. If you could see the way Linda and I maneuvered to try to get the jacks under the camper and jack it up and everything we went through, that's going to save a lot of time. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed or learned anything here, I'm totally satisfied with it, and I'm definitely might get another one. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up, please. Comments. I do appreciate it. And we'll be back with more videos before you know it. Thank you.